Have you ever seen the Daytona with the butterfly doors? What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al. Y'all tuned back in with them Jennings boys, man, and we back with another video for y'all, man. Make sure y'all stop what y'all doing, man. Go hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell. Let's keep running these numbers on up, man. We just touched back down to the crib, man, from Gym City, man, back from Dayton, man, the city. The little car show, man. It was a nice little turnout, man. I had a good little time. A lot of people stepped out, showed out. So yeah, I had fun. We just got back, putting the C8 back in the garage. Now it's time to hop in the cat, man. They're supposed to be doing some sliding tonight, so we're gonna hop in the cat, go to the little Mopar Afterparty. It's only right that we hop in the Mopar, you know what I'm saying, the wide body. We're getting ready to go up here to the 614 little meet first, do a little walkthrough up there, see what's going on, and then shit, we're gonna find where the action at, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned, and then you already know, baby wanna talk her shit, man. So she ain't got no action all day. Y'all stay tuned, man. We about to get in motion. Oh, 60. This shit high as fuck out here, but they be always finessing out here by the flares.
Oh, 60.
Oh, 60. I'm gonna put 20 in this motherfucker and keep it pushing. So y'all see what's going on, man. It wouldn't be right if we wasn't at the gas station filling up the fucking cat. This motherfucker drink gas, man. I always gotta put some gas in this motherfucker, but I just. Sam's Club been like 380, 390. This shit 460. 361 for regular.
Stinging.
Regular earlier was like 340, wasn't it?
Regular earlier was like $4.
We about to pull up to the 614, see what's going on, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned.
I like that touch that you did with the hood, though.
Ah, yeah, bringing it down to the putting the face mask on there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it had to be different. Try to make my shit look different than everybody else.
If it ain't different, what's the point?
Right. Everybody else just do the hood. That ain't too many people do the whole front. Y'all see it, man. We done made it up here to the 614. Some little bit of motion going on up here. With my man Otto Perk, make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel too, man. He dropping vlogs now too, man. He got his own channel. Yeah, he's still them Jennings boys.
Yeah, we all, we still one channel. Don't get it twisted.
Shit, we about to see what's going on, y'all. Just find out where they slide next. I think it's about time. Shit, we slid on the highway, boy. Hey, this motherfucker ain't never got loose on me like that on the highway. This motherfucker was sideways. Otto was over there scared. He was holding on to his seatbelt and shit. I told him, man, I got it under control, man. I ain't gonna lose that much control. But yeah, man, make sure y'all stay tuned. We about to slide this thing somewhere. At least we gonna try.
Somewhere. I mean, they already been sliding.
Try. Oh. Yeah, somebody has been sliding up here.
I ain't got no music, man. I've been fighting for music, though.
Better with the lights on.
A little subtle. It's not crazy, just subtle.
Lights. True. You said what, Otto? Have you ever seen the Daytona with the butterfly doors? See his social media right there. Make sure y'all go check him out. I don't even know who it is. What's this? Hemi 5'7"? Oh shit.
Somebody slide.
so much. That's that track. Tracky. Mopar. That's Mopar coming in, cuz. Nah, that's that. Nah, that's that Benz.
It makes you feel. Like, I'll get one of these too, man.
This the older one right here, the V8.
Yeah, the V8 one right here. We just seen V10. Then. He strategically comes in. Hey, right there. Go follow that guy. Follow. Y'all.
What's this? A RS? Recharge rally. Damn. He got the old school. Bam, he got the paid in full. Paid in full with the road cage.
No, there's somebody with a 335.
10 days, B.
He
got this all set up with the cage.
He's gonna smoke you.
He drifting in, yeah.
I'm not right there.
This your whip?
What?
I like it.
Follow E30 Cody. Super easy.
I got you right here. You heard the man. Go follow E30 Cody. You be swinging it?
It goes, but hydro brake, roll cage, 61 mil turbo, racing seats, standalone, you name it, dog.
Oh man, he got this big souped up.
That's how it's supposed to be, man. That's how it's supposed to be.
BBS RCs, fucking.
Damn.
Clean out tires, Joe. I go through tires.
I believe it. Light. Got the big tires on the back. Man, I ain't even see the.
Lenny, I know you have
LEDs on here. This you right here? Okay. I just got you on here.
So you gotta do something. Said you gotta do something different, right?
Right. You gotta stand out. You just turn these on. These wasn't just on though. I ain't see all the LEDs. They got the LEDs on here, right? Hey, you never done with it. You never done with it.
I got a whole big plan that ain't nobody seen before.
Ah, okay. That's how it be.
I'll give you a little secret.
Okay.
Think the Karate Kid. That's all I'm gonna say.
He said the Karate Kid. We gonna see.
These doors, but just think the Karate
Okay.
Kid.
Stay tuned, y'all. Y'all heard him. Stay tuned, man. All right, fam. We did a little walkthrough at the 614, man, but we ready for some action, man. So we're leaving back from up here by Polaris, about to head back to Bryce, man, to see what's going on. Got my man to the Daytona in front of me. Put that shit on, car play, cuz. Nigga, you don't be listening, cuz? Put that shit on car play. Trying to drive and record, cuz. Want to see some action, man. They've been chilling all day, man. We've been vibing all day, man. We need some of that. Cut them up, bang, bang. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? Smoke. Who gonna smoke? I don't know, y'all. We might have to get the cat out there. I don't know. We gonna see.
Bring the cat out there.
TikTok.
Blow a belt off.
That's gonna wrap it up, man. We had to get up on up out of there. My motherfucking feet barking, man. Time to go, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe, hit that post notification bell, like the video, man. We're gonna keep running these numbers on up, man. Keep running this dash on.